Do you want to turn off auto lock screen on your iPhone so that your iPhone screen will not turn off itself automatically? If yes, this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to turn off auto lock screen on your iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Now, once you open the settings app on your iPhone, the next thing you want to do is you want to scroll down. Keep scrolling until you get to display and brightness, and then click on that. Once you clicked on that, scroll down the page. Here, locate auto lock and then click on it. Once you clicked on auto lock, you have few options available here you can choose from, ranges from 30 seconds to never. Now, to completely turn off auto lock screen on your iPhone, choose never. Now, this may consume your iPhone battery more than expected, but once you selected never, your iPhone screen will never goes off and the auto lock will be disabled. So that is basically how to turn off auto lock screen on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.